So the big picture for this lesson is isosceles right triangles and their side length ratios. I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem to show you how that works. So since it's isosceles, the two legs have the same length. I'm going to put x. And the hypotenuse c, what I'm going to do is use the Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus x squared equals c squared. So I'm going to try and show a relationship between the hypotenuse and the two leg lengths. So I'm going to add these two x squareds and get 2x squared equals c squared. Then I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So square root of 2x squared equals square root of c squared. So square root of x squared, that can be split up. I'm going to put square root of 2 and then square root of x squared. Those are multiplied together, equals square root of c squared. Now I'm going to simplify the square roots. So square root of x squared is x, square root of c squared is c. And square root of 2 is just square root of 2. So square root of 2 times x equals c. Or you can rewrite that as x times square root of 2 equals c. Okay, so c equals x times square root of 2. So what does that mean? That means the hypotenuse is square root of 2 times the leg length for any 45, 45, 90, or isosceles right triangle. This can make solving the sides or the hypotenuse very easy given one side or the other. Now I'm going to show you about the trig ratios. So let's just go with this angle here. We'll call this angle A. And then we'll do the trig ratios. So sine of A, and this x here is the opposite side. This x here is the adjacent side. And the hypotenuse is here, of course. So sine of A equals the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. And the opposite side we said is x. The hypotenuse is x square root of 2. So the x's can simplify out here, and you get 1 over the square root of 2. And you can rationalize the denominator, multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2. And 1 times the square root of 2 is square root of 2. And square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. So that equals square root of 2 over 2. So the sine of a 45-degree angle is square root of 2 over 2. How about the cosine? Adjacent over hypotenuse equals, the adjacent side we said is x, and the hypotenuse is x square roots of 2. This is the exact same ratio as the sine. So we know that's going to work out to be square root of 2 over 2 as well. So the cosine of a 45-degree angle is square root of 2 over 2. Now let's look at the tangent of angle A. That is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. And the opposite side we said is x, the adjacent side is x, x divided by x equals 1. That means the tangent of a 45-degree angle is 1. So that's the big picture for the lesson.